Kuniko, a librarian from Information Services and Outreach at Central.
This week, I will make a stationery stand using toilet paper rolls and wrapping paper. Things we need today: glue, paper towel roll, 2 toilet paper rolls, a ribbon, wrapping paper, scissors, and a hot glue gun is optional. First, we are going to cut a paper towel roll in half. Wrap the wrapping paper around the rolls and then use glue to secure them. Tuck the excess paper inside the rolls. Bring the rolls together using glue. In my case, I used a hot glue gun. Use a ribbon to bundle them together, not only providing support but also as a decoration.
Thank you for watching today. Stay safe, do well. Bye-bye.